The new Air has everything you could want in a 15-inch laptop. It starts with a design that's astonishingly thin and light, yet feels incredibly solid and durable. It's only 11.5 millimeters thin, making it the world's thinnest 15-inch laptop. And it's easy to carry around at just over 3 pounds. It features MagSafe charging, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and a headphone jack for versatile connectivity. And it comes in 4 gorgeous finishes, including Midnight and Starlight. The Air has a brilliant liquid retina display with an expansive 15.3-inch screen that's surrounded by thin, 5mm borders so you can see even more of your content. And with up to 500 nits of brightness and support for 1 billion colors, everything looks remarkably rich and vibrant. It has a great 1080p camera for video calls along with a 3-mic array, so you come through loud and clear. And the new Air sounds awesome. With 6 speakers, including force-canceling woofers, it delivers immersive spatial audio. All of this is enabled by the M2 chip, which delivers amazing performance and battery life. In fact, the new Air is 12 times faster than the fastest Intel-based MacBook Air. And it gets an astonishing 18 hours of battery life. So what makes the new Air the world's best 15-inch laptop? Well, 15-inch PC laptops are full of trade-offs between performance, display resolution, battery life, and design. When compared to the best-selling 15-inch PC laptop, with a Core i7 processor, MacBook Air is up to twice as fast. And its display is twice the resolution and 25% brighter. Even with better performance and a better display, you still get up to 50% more battery life than on the PC. When it comes to design, the Air is nearly 40% thinner and half a pound lighter than the PC. And its fanless design runs completely silent. With all these great features in the new Air, it's the only 15-inch laptop that has it all. If this is your first Mac, you'll enjoy how easy it is to set up and use. And once you start using it, you'll see how seamlessly it works with iPhone. So you can do things like copy something on your phone and paste it with your Mac using Universal Clipboard, or pick up where you left off on a thread in Messages with Handoff. So that's the new 15-inch MacBook Air. It has an expansive display, the incredible performance of M2, a 6-speaker sound system, and tremendous battery life. All in the world's thinnest 15-inch laptop. We're super excited about the all-new 15-inch MacBook Air, the world's best 15-inch laptop. And it starts at just $1,299. And $1,199 for education. An incredible value for such an incredible laptop. You can order it today, and it'll be available next week. We're also excited that the 13-inch MacBook Air now starts at $1,099 to $100 less than before. And the 13-inch Air with M1 remains in the lineup at $999. So customers have more choices than ever to find the perfect Air for them. So that's MacBook Air. Next, let's talk about our Pro products. Earlier this year, we announced M2 Pro and M2 Max, along with the new MacBook Pro and Mac Mini, and users have been amazed by their performance.